Hey everyone, this is question number 94 from chapter 6. Okay, so this problem asks us to find the average work of air resistance on a softball that is thrown. Okay, so we're given the information here. We're told that the final speed is the ball slows by about 10%, which means that final speed, which I'm going to denote as V2, is going to be equal to 0.9 of V1, 90%. And that's going to be equal to 30 meters per second. Okay, so now we know that work is equal to the change in kinetic energy. Okay, so the work by air resistance is going to equal the change in kinetic energy. And work is force times distance. So FA D, air is trying to slow the ball down while it's moving, so it's going to be in the opposite direction of motion. So it's going to be cosine of 180 equals change in kinetic energy, which is just going to be 1/2 mv, 1/2 m. M's not changing, so we can do v squared 2 minus v1 squared. All right. So now we can rearrange and solve for the force of air. Okay, so we can rearrange and solve for this. We divide d over the other side, cosine. We know this is just going to make it negative. All right, so we're going to get FA equals m v2 squared minus v1 squared over minus 2d. All right, now we have to plug in our numbers for that. So we're going to get m. We can put v2 in terms of v1 like we did up here, okay? So this is going to be 0, v2, it's going to be 0.9 v1 minus v1. These are both squared. Okay, so we can actually take out over minus 2d. Okay, so that we can take out the v1, so FA equals m v1 squared, 0.9 squared minus, it would be 1 squared, but 1 squared is just 1, over minus 2d. Okay, so now we plug the rest of our numbers in. FA equals 0.25 kilograms times 33.33 meters per second squared times 0.9 squared minus 1, all over minus 2 times 15 meters. All right, so F of air is equal to 1.759 newtons with sig figs. It's going to give us 1.8 newtons.